Hello and welcome to Gardening with Soul. The camera is staring at a large mound of oregano. And I had a little teeny tiny piece and I put it out here because I was out of space in the walled garden. And guess what? The javelina didn't bother it. The rabbits didn't bother it. I'm gonna pick you up and zoom you out here and show you just how exuberant that oregano is. Now, it is getting ready to flower. This is, whoops, sorry about that, bee. These are the flowers. Oh gosh, it's so fragrant. Anyway, this big, beautiful plant is kind of actually sort of taking over that area there. But it seems to be getting along with the barrel cactus. And what's nice about these guys growing together, that is a funnel spider. And they seem to be very happily providing habitat for the funnel spider. And, well, the thing about the funnel spider, you can see the web is a funnel. And it'll catch whatever it can. Hopefully, you know, some nice big fat fly will fumble in there. And that funnel spider will have some dinner and help keep the flies out of the garden. I leave the spider webs in the garden because the hummingbirds especially need the webbing to hold their nests together. I'm gonna have to think of a lot more to tell you about oregano. But I just wanted to show you that it is a javelina-proof, rabbit-proof plant. Actually deer too, I got deer wandering through. So oregano, it's a slightly different color than maybe the brittle bush, but it looks good in the garden. And you go, whoa, wait a minute, as we're backing up and we're seeing the garden, we're seeing this dead stump here. And what that is those dead stumps, I put them around the garden where I want to protect something little that's growing underneath. Because the javelinas do stomp through here, and they stomp and they step on things and they munch on things. And so I will use these dead stumps to protect something. And what am I protecting? Oh, look, can we see that down in there? Can we see that little baby aloe? Just a way of protecting them with something that maybe you don't see it as decorative, but I see it as a very interesting thing that, you know, it's gonna, the roots especially, hidden underground, are so interesting. I'm gonna show you one more thing in the garden. I pruned a plant and I throwed it out here. Well, anyway, English is such an interesting language. It helps shade the soil. You could buy straw, you could buy mulch. It's something I was kind of seeing if maybe the critters would eat this water plant. And the answer is no, they don't. So I have mulch. Just an interesting look at one little teeny tiny patch of my garden. What's in your garden? Thanks for watching Gardening with Soul.